So in the first few months that we've had in the first quarter, the performance has been great. Year to date, the Saudi Arabian market is 15% up, which is very interesting actually. And I think most of this comes from the fact that there is going to be this inclusion in the emerging market index. The FTSE has already announced it, and we believe as well that the MSCI will announce for the inclusion in the June announcement that is due, and that makes the market very interesting. Now, on a PE multiple basis, we can see that it is a bit more expensive relative to, say, Dubai, which is trading at a significant discount, not just to regional peers, but also to the emerging market index. And but despite the fact that it is a bit expensive at this moment, we see that there is a significant rally that's still left, particularly from past announcements that we have seen of such inclusions in the emerging market index. There is still scope for a rally leading up to the 12 months of the actual inclusion. And I think that's a very interesting play. In combined, we would see with the FTSE and the MSCI inclusion, almost $15 billion of foreign inflows coming in to Saudi Arabia. So that's very interesting.
So in terms of that privatization process that they're just announcing, this of course is a big part of the Vision 2030 that the Crown Prince is trying to push. We're talking about privatizing airports and privatizing as well as the airlines, the ports as well. What kind of opportunities does that bring?
Definitely very interesting. It all depends ultimately on what are the details that are announced. But as you mentioned already, it's a part of the vision, which lends a lot more credibility in terms of what we can expect out of the market. I think in terms of valuations and in terms of where the market is placed, that would be an interesting thing for IPOs to kick off into Saudi Arabia. And definitely it's going to bring in a lot of foreign inflows, because until now the market's underpenetrated by foreign participants, and that's going to be one major big push that we can see in the region from the country.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.